Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafter's Outpost. Today I am showing how to put together a kit to make this junk journal with. So I'm just going to show you the journal, and then I'll show you the stuff that it comes with so you can create this junk journal in your own style. Okay, so first of all, I have it tied off with this beautiful stretchy lace, and you will be getting that in the kit. It's going to come with the stretchy lace to tie off your book and some twine to actually sew your signatures in. Okay, so that it's going to come with those. And then to put the book together, let me just put this aside. I have done other videos on this, and I will link one of them in the description below just to show you how to put this together. But it's basically, it's pretty simple. These are just 2 envelopes, okay? And when you get the kit, you're going to have this cardboard or cardstock, and all you're going to do is put it inside. You're just going to put it inside the envelope like this. And then what I do is I just glue this down and close it. And then I put the other one in. Except it's giving me trouble here. Okay. So you just put those inside. It gives your book some sturdiness, okay? Now, if you want it even more sturdy, you can add more paper or cardstock. But by the time you end up adding the other cardstock, it's pretty sturdy. Okay, so what I do normally is I turn them this way, and I have the flap right here. I glue these down, okay? Here's a spine that you will get. And again, if you want your spine to be thicker, you can either add another some cardstock, or you're going to add lace and other things to it to make it more sturdy anyway. So, and then all you do is leave a little bit of an edge there, and you're going to take masking tape or duct tape or whatever you want to go down the middle, and then I flip it over and I do the other side and tape it all together. And then once it's taped together, you pretty much have your book, okay? And so it's pretty simple. And again, I'll link a video of one that I already did to show you the basics. And that's just going to be the basic of your book right there. And that's really it. I mean, right here you can see it's just the envelopes. And then I put lace, okay, on. After you put it together, you're going to put your lace. I got my signatures already sewn in, so it's kind of hard to show you. But again, I've done this, and there's plenty of videos out there to show you. But you see right here, I put my lace down in here. Before I put the signatures in, I just laid the lace down like that and glued it down. And as you can see underneath there, you'll see my tape that I used. I used a gold duct tape. And then I just laid the lace right over top and glued it down like that. And so you'll see right here where it is, and the back right here. Okay, I just glued it down. I like to sew things. You do not have to sew. It's optional. But I like the look of the way things look when it's sewn together, and plus it keeps the book together longer, I think. So that's your decision if you want to sew it in. But you just put the lace down in the middle and glue it in. And now the thing you want to do maybe before that, and I've done it both ways, so again, it's going to be your preference. I coffee dyed some heavy-duty cardstock, okay, which is right here. And these are going to come in your kit where you can glue them down as your inside pages. And then you can either glue over the lace or you can glue the lace over the page. Here I glued the lace over, but I have done it this way too. It's really just your preference. So that's going to go there. Your other paper is going to go here. Okay. And then you're going to get this. You're going to get 2 of these. Okay. You're going to get the envelopes with the spine and the papers that go inside. You're also going to get the lace that goes on the outside, plus your twine to sew your signatures in. And that's basically the basis of the book. Okay. And then now, to decorate it, when you put your lace on the outside of here, if you're going to sew your signatures in, you'll have to watch videos to learn how to do that. I've not really done that on camera. You don't even have to sew them in. You can use stretchy twine to just tie them in if you don't want to sew them in. I added buttons on here, and you will get the buttons. And then this is the stuff that I put in the bag. So you're going to get 3 buttons, like what's on here. You're going to get a copy of the girl. Okay, and she will be blank. But I did put in some decorations. These, the buttons on the spine. I put in the book corners, the metal book corners that you can use. There's 4 in there of those. And then I had these little flowers, and I'm not sure where I'm going to place mine. I might do it there. You might want to leave that open for a cover that says journal on it, or, you know, something else. Or I might put it there. I haven't decided. But you will get this all in your kit to make the decision of how you want to decorate it. And then the girl's going to come like this. Okay. So this is basically the kit and everything you need to make this book. And also, I am going to put in there the baker's paper that is scalloped on the edges. So you're going to get 10 papers for 1 signature. And these are the papers. They're all coffee dyed. And they will also be going in the kit. And then if you want to do 2 signatures, you can, but you'll have to use your own paper. But I am including 1 signature of papers, okay? And so this one does do, let me see if that's spine. Because now, sometimes, I think this is an inch spine. So this actually is big enough to put in 2 signatures if you want. I put in 2 signatures, but you don't have to. You could put just 1 signature in. It does give you a lot of room to make it a pretty chunky. As you can see, I have 2 signatures in of 10 pages each. And so once it gets decorated, it will be pretty chunky. And that's usually what happens when we start decorating, but it's going to have plenty of room. And this is just some of my artwork that I put in, this one. But you will have plenty of room to add. And even in the middle, down the middle. Now, the way that I had sewn the buttons on, I just put them back through the holes where I had sewn in my signatures and just added the buttons like that. So you just take it through the same holes, you bring it up, you put it through that hole, put it down, put it through the other hole, and then tie it off. And you get the buttons. It's a pretty easy process. Now the back page, I will put in, but it may not be this design. It just may be a regular cardstock for your back cover, like that. And then you can stamp on it or do whatever you want to decorate the outside cover. But you will get 3 of these. 1 for inside each and your back cover. And then this is going to be your front cover here. And that's pretty much the kit. So if you have any questions, just reach out. But this is what the kit is going to have inside. So I hope that helps. Thanks so much. If you want to purchase a kit, you can contact me on Facebook. I have a YouTube channel, The Crafter's Outpost. And, well, you're on my YouTube channel, right? But I sell on Whatnot. So this is where you can pick up the kit, or you can just private message me on Facebook and I'll send you one. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.